It's back. I brought it back, y'all. I brought it back.
Yeah, I'ma grind forever. Green mean go, I'ma go get it. They say forever is a long time. As long as I get it, best believe it, we gon' be fine. Now I'm on your line, demanding for attention, trying to make you mine. Girl, no waste time, saying that I'm playing, girl, I know did wine. I ain't never running out of love.
All right, so let's get into this dusty wig that I found at the back of my closet. I bought this wig last year and I went swimming in it. I did not take care of it. I think I barely washed it. I never really detangled it. So now it looks like roadkill and we try to bring it back to life. The most important step of this entire process is finger detangling. This process took me about 2.5 hours. I cannot lie. The roots of this wig is super matted and stuck together like glue. So I had to really rake my hands through this wig and separate it as much as I can. I wanted to show y'all a close-up of the mats so y'all don't think I'm exaggerating. It was a lot, but what I did was spray it down with some water, just water, after you're done detangling, and then detangle again. Just from doing the detangling process alone, the curls are already coming back. See how it's moving now? Detangling is like wig CPR. Now we are ready for the famous silicone mix. You're gonna get your silicone mix, put 2 or 3 tablespoons into boiling water. You're going to stir that up and then you get some leave-in conditioner. This is the one that I'm using and I'm going to stir that in too. Get a bowl for your wig and pour your silicone mix onto the wig and you're going to make a bowl of wig cereal. See, it looks like wig cereal, right? Make sure your wig is fully submerged into the solution, including the lace. You want to pack everything down, make sure it's all wet, and then you're going to cover it with the lid. You can leave it sitting for about an hour, but I left mine sitting for about 3 to 4 hours just because I didn't feel like doing nothing, especially after all that detangling I just did. I needed a break. Oh, you thought we was done detangling? Nah, you're gonna pick up that tail comb and you're gonna comb out all the mats from the roots. This honestly took a lot more work than I expected. After loosening all the tangled hair, I got my detangling brush and all the matted parts slid right out. As y'all can see, like it's literally gliding through now. I just want to show y'all how much hair came out after the whole detangling process. Y'all, hair is going to come out and it is going to shed, and I decided to name this hairball Consequences because that's exactly what I'm suffering for not taking care of my wig in the first place. I'll be using this shampoo and conditioner by Pantene. Any shampoo and conditioner should be fine. All you're going to do is wash the silicone mix out of the wig completely. Y'all, look how the brush is gliding through this wig. It looks so juicy now. Ooh. I didn't wash out the conditioner immediately. I actually just brushed it through and left it in a bag to sit for about an hour before I decided to wash it out. And this part is completely optional. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. She is a star. She is all that. She's giving. Look at the curls. The curls are back. They're popping. They look rejuvenated. Now I'm just going to put on a little bit of heat protector and get to blow drying. Y'all don't judge me. I got this hair blower from my mom and she said she bought it before I was born and I was born 97. So sometimes it turns off and every time I use it, I'm afraid that it will blow up. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Period. The ends were looking a little bit raggedy, so I cut a little bit off and I'm just gonna get to styling and putting this wig on and looking cute. I'm cute as hell. I'm cute as hell. I'm cute as hell.
I look like a baddie. I'm very cute. I look like a baddie. I'm really cute. I look like a baddie. I'm really cute. This hair is really cute.
It's back. I brought it back, y'all. I brought it back. So guys, this is the wig all dry. Well, it's a little damp at the back, but for the most part, it is dry. I think I did pretty good. I will be putting the link to this wig in my description box. I can go check out my Amazon storefront and get this wig yourself. I bought this wig about 7 months ago. Like I bought it like summer last year and I destroyed it. I did not take care of it. And so I had to reap the consequences. Y'all, this wig is beautiful. It's so soft. It's back to life. I can now look like a baddie again with my curly black hair. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching and keep up with me as I post more videos. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the support that I get, I really appreciate it. And thank you. Thanks for watching me revive my wig. I know I look cute now. Okay, bye.
Wish I could find a different way, but till then I'ma keep clutching this cake. Up in the game and I'm here to stay.